Now that I'm situated, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sarah. Sorry you can hear the vacuum in the background. He won't shut up. She won't shut up. It won't shut up. Not assuming genders on this channel. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween time, some beauty tutorials, and a little bit of DIY in between. Today we are getting all into the Jeffree Star Blue Blood collection. Damn. In this collection we do have quite a few items to get through. The mini Blue Blood, this is going to be a lot of bees and it's probably going to get too much for me to handle, so bear with me. We have the Blue Blood palette, which retails for $52. We have the mini Blue Blood bundle, which retails for $52 as well. We've also got some liquid frost, aka the highlighters, retail for $25 each. Which there's Prostitute, Blue Balls, Michigan Ice, Ice Cream Bling, and Expensive. We have some more velour lip scrubs. We have Vanilla Mint, Blueberry Pie, and Blue Freeze. All of the velour lip scrubs retail for $12 each. All of these guys were sold in a bundle pack, so I believe the bundle pack had all of the collection plus a chrome mirror, which I didn't end up getting, and I think a chrome bag as well, which I also obviously didn't end up getting. So I did only purchase the makeup from this collection, not any of the accessories, but damn. Damn. So first of all, I know I've got a lot of blue on, by the way. I know I got a lot of blue going on, but I mean, it's very fitting considering. So for the palette, this is probably the most qualitative palette I have. This is some quality shit. Like, it looks like a coffin, and it has a very nice closer on it, and then you open it up, and it's got a very decent mirror. Ooh, I can see myself. Say hi to the camera. Then you've got 8 shades at a decent pan size, I would say. Pretty general size for any of Jeffree Star's palettes. So you have Cullinan, Mint Tea, Crystal Flesh, I'm Cold, Untouchable, Priceless, Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, Ice Tray, Blue Monday, Flourishing, Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, Entitled, Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. Now just opening this up, you actually, I'm not sure if you can tell by the actual packaging, but it is fabric. Like, this is serious quality you got going on here. Oh, you can see everything in my background. Just chill over here then. Like, all of this blue that's inside is fabric. It's not, so you definitely get what you pay for. It is $52 USD. I'm in Canada, so I pay a little bit more. But the closure on is really amazing. And it just has all of his Instagram and all of his handles and such. That has got a lot of quality to it. It's also got a lot of detail put into it. Not only do the eyeshadows each have something pressed into them, whether it be the Jeffree Star logo or a diamond. It's got lips, it's got a basically like thunder coming out of a cloud, got a crown, it's got a money bag, it's got a coffin. It's actually really hard to open and close because it's so secured. It's gonna be a nightmare. As for his Blue Blood bundle, this is going to be a lipstick vault. It just says Blue Blooded on the outside, as well as Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and of course the entire thing is blue. Then you open it up and you've got Drug Lord, which is an existing shade that he continues to bring back because it's one of the only, if not the actual only, matte liquid lipstick. I don't know why this is so hard to say right now. I think it's just because my mind is so flustered with the Blue Blood everything. You also have Ice Tray, which is a brand new shade. You've got Jawbreaker, which is existing. Blue Velvet, which again is existing. Muse, which is also existing. Diamond, which is also existing. Titanic, which is a brand new shade. It is a metallic, glittery blue. I would say it's actually more glittery than metallic, but it's definitely got that feel to it. And then Medusa, which is again an existing shade. All of those existing shades you have seen swatches of on my channel. If you just look up Jeffree Star, you'll see all of it, except for when I'm actually putting together all of my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I mean, you'll see it there too, but It's not gonna be the same concept. Not gonna be the same concept. So again, that does retail for $52. I'm not gonna go into the actual like little price points of it because you're obviously not getting the same amount in the vault as you would in a regular liquid lipstick, so there's really no point in doing that. You're just comparing Jeffree Star to Jeffree Star, but he's been very vocal about the fact that they are minis. It's a lip bundle, so there are minis. The next product is also going to be issued on my channel a little bit differently than I normally would, and that is these guys right here, which are the velour lip scrubs. These guys I usually actually like try on camera, but I've come to the realization that that almost does more harm than good to your lips. I mean, granted, this won't like actually hurt your lips, but you only really need one scrub, and trying all these out makes no difference because they're all blue. There's not going to be any funkiness about them except for the taste. So what I'm going to do is taste them, because that's basically what we're all here for anyways, right? At least this portion of the video is to see if they taste as they state. So the first one being Blue Freeze, which is basically supposed to taste like a blue freezy, I guess? Yeah. Now with this being said, with all of this being said, these are super not a meal replacement, so like don't be just eating them just to eat them. I'm doing it on camera, don't do what I do. Don't try this at home. I'm just doing it to show you guys whether or not I believe that they truly taste like what they're supposed to taste like. Damn. I don't know how he does it, but he does it. Next up is vanilla. Gonna do that last. Next one is blueberry pie. Okay. It is not secure. It is super coming out. Okay. Anyways, blueberry pie. I mean, I'm not gonna say that I taste anything more than blueberry, because honestly I don't taste anything more than blueberry. But he's got the blueberry down packed. Even the fact that it doesn't taste too sweet as a blueberry, considering it's a sugar scrub, it's really sugary, but it's really not. And then lastly, I want to do this one last because the essence of this may or may not stay in my mouth for the entire video after this, but it is vanilla mint. They all just kind of come out a little bit. I mean, that one came out a lot, but they kind of all just come out a little bit. Okay. I can literally just smell the reek of mint. I like mint. I don't really like peppermint all that much, but I love mint. Like the York peppermint patties or the After Eights. Oh my god. Okay, there was some hair in that one. I will say it's definitely not overpowering by any means. I probably could have ate that anyways. I can taste a little bit of the remnants because, well, mint is mint and it stays in your mouth for like ever. But I mean, I think my favorite would be Blue Freeze by a landslide, honestly. I am not using this as a meal replacement. However, with that being said, I love me some sugar. Alright. So one of the biggest collections within this collection, oh, just showed them, oh well. One of the biggest collections within this collection is the Liquid Frost, which I've never used a Liquid Frost from him, but I will just be showing these briefly. Rude. So I bought all of these guys, which also came in a pack. I think they were like $110 or $100, which is great because they're $25 each, so that'd be cool, $125. So I do think you save a little bit on the bundle pack, but with these guys, I am not going to be trying these out in today's video. Strictly because I'm going to do a video where I am planning on covering a whole something in it. A whole me in it. I know that sounds completely ridiculous, but when I saw how these look on the skin, I was like, I want that all over my body. And I know people say that, but I literally want it all over my body. So if you guys know me at all, in real life or very, very well over the internet, if I want something, I usually try for it. And I want these all over my body, so it's gonna be a separate video in itself, and I hope you guys like it. I'm not going to be touching that by any means in this video. If you guys do want to see actual like straight up swatches on it, I will be leaving any videos that I watched from before when it launched, aka Jeffree Star's, until any other ones if I end up watching them. I will leave them in the description box down below. But with that being said, let's get on to the makeup. So first of all, I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk as my base as per usual. This is literally the only base I probably use besides the ColourPop one, coming in with Wealthy in my crease as my transition shade. As for the blue, I'm starting off with a mixture of Minty and I'm Cold. More Minty, but a little bit of I'm Cold. And then I'm adding Deceased into the actual like crease, so to start darkening up the makeup. Blending Minty and I'm Cold once again with that to help it blend better into my entire eye look. Over my entire lid, I'm adding a little bit of Undertaker because it is such a deep toned color. You just got to be careful with this one. I'm then coming in with Blue Monday and I'm putting that into between my lid and my crease to help blend everything better together. Coming in with a purple liner, which has nothing to do with this collection, so. And then again, just going back in with Deceased, followed up with a little bit of Blue Monday, and then finally Wealthy. I don't know if you would consider this graphic liner or just a general shape added on to it for creative measure. But I'm going to be adding a star on, which you might actually recognize kind of from my Shania Twain video as well. I kind of did the same kind of aspect. How many times can I say kind of in this video? I'm using a angled eyeliner brush, I believe this is, and Drug Lord. You can definitely use a concealer for this portion if you'd like to recreate it by any means. I'm just using Drug Lord to utilize more of the collection, and then once I've got the general shape down that I want, I'm going to be filling it in with Drug Lord once again. And then to set that all down and to add a little bit more sparkle, I'm coming with Cullinan, which is yet another shade in the Blue Blooded palette. Adding black mascara to my top lashes and then coming in with Blue Velvet and adding that to my bottoms to really bring out the blue aspect to this, as if everything else didn't, including my blue eyebrows. Lastly, I'm using the Titanic lip color out of the lip bundle to add it obviously to my lips. That is it for today's video, guys, and I do hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!